Hello everyone, this is your periodontist Dr. Geeta. Okay, what can we do to prevent caries without even touching the baby or without even touching the aerator? Okay, so there is a solution for this where if the child comes during every permanent tooth eruption to the dentist, then there is a tool called as fluoride. So what will this fluoride do? This will just help to act as a protective layer around the tooth surface, which will not allow the cavities to erupt or to come in. So this will just act like a protective helmet to a patient where they cannot meet with any accident. This is just an example. So let us know how can we do the treatment by just placing a fluoride on the tooth. So when there is a permanent tooth eruption, like a first tooth is erupted in the babies from around 6 to 7 years of age, at that time you can just get the patient to the clinic or the pediatric dentist where they'll apply varnish or a fluoride, any application on the tooth surface just with the strokes with an applicator tip. So just by applying it or painting the tooth surface with the fluoride varnish can easily prevent the cavity attack. So this will help like a protective layer and not allow the caries to come. So such small tip can be followed and help to prevent the caries attack in a small age children. So when we are having such a beautiful privilege or a fluoride technique, why can't we choose for that and go for a permanent root canal or a pulpectomy treatment in children? So let's do this from today. Please do visit the pediatric dentist, Dr. Geeta. Thank you.